also gets the whole drop from Jack Miller. Marc Marquez in third place. Maverick
down. Dovizioso, good start for Cal Crutchlow. He's just up behind Marc Marquez.
He's off the line, he's down in sixth.
Obviously didn't work out too well for him. He's just up ahead of Paco Bagnaia.
Exactly where he wants to be to kick off 2019. Leading out the front of the Ducati's Jack Miller. Marquez the world champion third. Crutchlow fourth.
Further back. Miller second. There is Marquez now trying to get in the slipstream. Remember, on the power this year, he's
4 seconds. Put it on the Aussie.
Marquez.
What first lap as well by attacking out
from Miller. Crutchlow looking there really strong ahead of his teammate to come now. Further back, there he is, Jorge Lorenzo. In 9th, going to pass. You can see Dovizioso.
What's going on there with Jack Miller?
Miller really lost a lot of ground.
It was almost like he sat up. Nakagami elbows out all over.
Nakagami there as well. Just closed the door right on the front wheel of Maverick Vinales. Alex Rins.
To some Suzuki insiders, Steve, here on Thursday, and they felt like they said that to quote them, mid-season, Joan Mir may well be beaten.
Quartararo, he is catching Cyrene. He's only 4 seconds down on Hafi Cyrene, who sits in 22nd place now.
So talking about kicking himself, he's stalling on the line.
And the problem is, Matt, is that these guys, of course, are setting an interesting pace, aren't they? Quartararo is just going gung-ho. He's a bit
He's had enough of seeing the back end of his teammate Joan Mir. He's made his move up into 4th place. He would not want to be beaten by his way. That would be a bit of a disrespect because he's had an absolutely barnstorming performance so far. Vinales just slowly
on board now with Cal Crutchlow looking up at Marc Marquez, crunching to 5th in 2 corners.
Suzuki's are storming through. It was on lap 13 last year. Alex Rins, did we see this last year? Andrea Dovizioso at the front of Rossi picks up, attacking Nakagami. Dovizioso would just time management right now.
Of course it is.
This is got so much left in the locker. Here comes Rins. He leads the Qatar Grand Prix.
Leading from factory to caddy with then Marc Marquez, the Dobby.
KTM for the Malaysian.
There is Joan Mir. We're looking at him from Cal Crutchlow ahead of Franco Morbidelli, who started to pick up a few places. Miller's dropped to 10th. Nakagami's dropped to 11th. Aleix Espargaro is down to 12th.
Well, it's interesting, Steve, because the bag on through the inside of Dovizioso, but he's in hot, and Dovizioso needs no second invitation. And
so low, he's wrong. Maverick Vinales feinted a move up the inside of Petrucci, who didn't know he was there.
Somebody who's had a real good shot. 13th place. He's back inside the top 10 in 9th.
Dovizioso is in front on the Ducati from Honda's Marc Marquez.
Well, we've had, 6.5 laps here in Qatar, and the top 9 riders are covered by just a second. Ducati on the start-finish straight. Petrucci up the inside of Cal Crutchlow. It was tight, not a lot of... Can't recall Andrea Dovizioso talking in this race actually even needed.
He is managing the race, leading it at the slowest possible pace to keep some tyres. Pulled out on the next left-hander, which is a big, hard drive section, hammered the rear tyre past the Honda.
Big question. Marquez now then sees an opportunity to try and have a nibble at Marquez, and then back to Marquez looking at Dobby. This is the battle for second place. It's still Rins that leads this one. Joan Mir, brilliant job still.
Maverick Vinales, Valentino Rossi and Franco Morbidelli, they're all within a second. The top 9 riders still split by just 1 second. Who is keeping the best? Bigness is his horsepower and his speed on the start.
They need a few horsepower more, don't they? It's not quite enough for that.
Rear again Rins. This is where he's doing all of his work in this 3rd sector. It's where you've got, and Alex Rins is jumping all over when he needs to.
We're on the 9th lap, there's 14 to go. There's Petrucci trying to go through on Joan.
Almost a full 10k slower through the speed trap than Andrea Dovizioso. She pounces on Marc Marquez at turn 6. That's brilliantly done by the factory Ducati. To be pushing because the pace is so slow that Vinales and Rossi and Morbidelli go. Interesting, Andrea Dovizioso this weekend.
Not that Cal Crutchlow is exactly fully fit himself right now as Marc Marquez block passes Rins brilliantly there. AP manager, Joan Mir really in his game. And with 11 to go, it is the halfway point of the first race of 2000.
Dovizioso and Marc Marquez, they're just up in their rhythm here. They're trying to get away. They're trying to break up this lead.
Teams of what we had last year.
I'll tell you what, the carries on here, we're going to be easily having the close podium battle.
Danilo Petrucci in 3rd, looking as a factory Ducati rider for his first podium.
Absolutely incredible, astonishing. We promised it was going to be close, we promised it was going to be intense, and it's so far delivered. Rins fights back. Very, really
two. Petrucci and Crutchlow in fourth and fifth.
Well, if Vinales and Rossi are more, they're running the risk of being dropped out of this podium. Steve Andrea Dovizioso at 155.385, Maverick Vinales at 156 flat, 7/10 of a second slower than Andrea at the podium in the opening Grand Prix as Alex wins. He's not taking this one lying down. You can see
Mode.
absolutely. But is it though?
Your front in your rear.
Andrea Dovizioso, Steve, on 2 laps ago, in 155.3, looked like he was checking out. That last
Point, does he go again? This is Johan Zarco, by the way. He's on for a solitary point.
So, there's going to be 7 laps to go very, very shortly.
Morbidelli has dropped right out of it, by the way, in a battle for 9th place, a bit further back behind this group of 8.
Dovizioso around 156.077. Marc Marquez equally opened up that current gap in sectors 2 and 3 on the final lap because we know he'll get blitzed. Jack Miller, Valentino Rossi is on the chart.
Miguel Oliveira brought in a brilliant battle between Andrea Iannone, Zarco and Fabio Quartararo.
This is for the point. It started from the pit lane. Closer to another podium battle here at the Lusail International Circuit in Qatar, here in Qatar.
Well, he might have, especially given that.
Last year.
300 horsepower at well over 300 kilometres an hour.
Thanks for that. He's in 9th, then Morbidelli and Aleix Espargaro, but it's this front group we need to concentrate on.
He had podiums in 5 races in a row. The legend Kevin Schwant, way back in 1990.
We've now got a group of 6 riders in it for the podium here.
Down to 155.440. The best lap of Crutchlow's race so far. He's only won the race and he's around to a 155.4.
And he's going to have a look through maybe on Dovizioso. No.
Personal best laps.
Corner between him and Marc Marquez, as it was last year, or will anyone else stick with them?
Crutchlow, there you go. Personal best lap 55.3. Nothing the pole man.
Here we go. This could be the break being made now. Both Petrucci is
For Suzuki is tonight the night.
across the line. Dovizioso took it back and Rins has gone wide.
That's a big mistake there. Because that may have done for Alex Rins' podium charge. As he did, it's still game on.
Moves up into 5th, but he's still a little bit short of this leading quartet.
And the top Dovizioso versus Marquez. A personal duel between the two men. Great technical waging between the Ducati and Honda. The two dominant are. And the moment of truth is about to arrive. Andrea Dovizioso leads Marc Marquez. Cal Crutchlow still
Now looking for a gap. Will he try turn 6? He does like getting to that left.
Dovizioso's made a mistake.
Big mistake. Around.
Indeed, he made a couple last year, of course, at really dented the Championship Challenge, led or clashed out the lead in Le Mans.
That stake in inverted commas is putting him in the...
Going to tumble out the first corner. Be a clear wild card.
Petrucci's out of puff. Vinales is out of puff. They're both out.
1 lap and 1 corner to go then in 2019, the season opener. It's been the classic we all hope for. Marc Marquez will lead over the line short of the scoring moments galore. The front end of back reps Honda.
Oh, this is brilliant stuff here on the opening night of Qatar as delivered in 20.
Marquez, Honda versus Ducati. Marquez makes his move. Big man on the front end, but can he hold his stick? Dovizioso tries to fight back.
Side by side they are. Rooney's asking questions at that.
How is Marc Marquez still on board that factory Honda? Close to go. It's Andrea Dovizioso that holds the advantage. Marquez, you know he's going to...
Pete, surely no. Oh, here he goes. He's in red once more. Dovizioso just gets it on the line.
It's an absolute bollocks galore. His front brake instinct, he picked up it. It was last year. Marc Marquez, what a fighter. What a tenth of a second. Motogp.
Bloomin' heck did Valentino Rossi come from, Matt? 14th on the grid, written off this morning.
Second. History's been made again here as well in Qatar. That's the closest top 15 we've ever seen in Grand Prix history, with Johan Zarco over the line, just 5th full fuel tank.